Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to use an Envato Template Kit in WordPress. First, ensure you have WordPress installed and running. Then, install and activate the free Elementor plugin, which is essential for these kits. Next, download your desired Envato Template Kit from Envato Elements. Make sure your current WordPress theme is compatible with Elementor to avoid any conflicts. This initial setup takes only a few minutes, preparing your site for a beautiful new design. Once Elementor is active, navigate to the Elementor menu in your WordPress dashboard. Look for the Tools option, then click on Import/Export Kit. Here, you will find the Start Import button. Click this and select the zip file of your downloaded Envato Template Kit. The system will then guide you through the import process, which typically takes less than 1 minute. This step brings all the kit's pages and assets into your WordPress environment. With your kit imported, it is time to customize. Go to Elementor's Templates section to find all the kit's pages and blocks. Open any page with Elementor to begin editing. You can easily change text, swap images, and adjust section layouts. Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes customization straightforward. Experiment with different elements to achieve your desired look. This creative phase allows you to truly make the template your own. Finally, refine your site's overall appearance using Elementor's global settings. Access these to set consistent typography, color palettes, and button styles across your entire website. This ensures a cohesive and professional look without editing each page individually. After making your final adjustments, save all changes. Then, publish your new WordPress site for the world to see. Congratulations, your stunning new website is now live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.